When we started the place in Bakery Junction, that was 18 years back. So at that time, we were very particular about the interiors. So I still remember we were sitting with the interior
Yeah,
designer and we were working out on the interiors, how to design the interior. So we decided to give a Greek touch to the whole place because Ambrosia, the name itself is from Greek mythology. So to go with that, we gave a Greek theme to the whole place. It was a black and white thing. And do you remember that bar counter we
Yeah,
had,
of
that
course,
canopy? We had a bar counter in the middle with high stools and a canopy, a big light hanging on top. So that was a favorite place for youngsters. They used to always come and rush to this place because that gave them that feel of, that coffee place.
And the corners
then,
with the sofas and the green plants.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, some people used to sit there in gangs and they enjoy. They are having the fun and it was.
Yes, different, people could choose their favorite spot because some, like he said, that corners, mostly it was a family crowd who used to go there because there was more privacy. And so, for different categories of people, they could come in and choose their place. And plus, along with that, the music. We used to always play good music there. So people used to talk about the music, the ambience and the food. All this went hand in hand.
And of course, the color combination, the black and white and the grey, that complemented very well along with the ambience.
Yes.
That gives a good touch of with the music and food.
Yeah, and when we started this place here in Kaudia, remember, we wanted to give a different touch, so we changed the decor.
Yeah, we changed all the ambience is absolutely, it's a different ambience, and with openness, the roof you can see, the ceiling is open, you can see the roof, the lighting is different, and the
Made it
the
more
tables
colourful.
is more colorful, and the tables in different shapes, and even a single person, they don't feel isolated or they don't feel lonely. And there will be square tables also, and
The round tables, the main intention. Remember, we thought when the round tables came, if a person comes and sits alone, he'll never feel lonely.
Yeah.
He feel like he's part of the whole thing. He gets to see the people around. So we have different shaped tables here: round tables, square tables, rectangular tables. So we had these tables with a different view in mind. So and I think people, some people, they always come and choose their favorite spot. So all this, complemented with our
and the
intention.
branding, we did the branding, and that vibrant, the colorful, that pictures, that there are writings on it. You can when you sit along, you can read the writings and captions.
Yeah.
It's all giving a different feel.
Exactly. See, the story of Ambrosia, and when people, they order their food, and when they sit down waiting for their food, we have these things where they can just walk around and read the things on the walls. That is something that we did recently. It's a branding. So it's part of the branding that we have our history written on different places, and we have different things about coffee and things written. So people don't get bored. They can just walk around and go through all that.
And one good thing about Kavadiyar is there are ample parking over it.
Yeah.
That was very good. Nowadays the technology is advancing, So we are giving more options to customers for ordering for cakes or food. They can order online, and now we are providing that mobile app option also. Everybody is having a mobile at hand. They can order anywhere, any place they can order through mobile. We are providing QR code also. That any people can scan it and they can go to the app straight away and they can order from any place.
Yeah, exactly. And remember the incident recently, people, the technology has developed so much that people anywhere in the world, there are so many people ordering from the US, from the UK, different places. And recently there was an incident. There was this son who was in the US, and he had ordered a special cake and flowers for his parents here for their anniversary. And he had told us specifically, the colors and the writing and everything, because everything according to the liking of the parents. And he wanted it to be a big surprise. And he placed the order online, and we did a good job at doing, following all his specifications and delivering the cake along with the flowers on time. And the parents were so happy that, the very next day, the son called us back, and he had no words to thank us. He said, "Oh my, this technology and us, all this put together, And so many incidents like this. This was just one thing. These people, they every day we have similar incidents. People ordering and delivering the things, and how happy it makes the receiver as well as the person who placed the order.
Yeah, these are the moments we are so happy that getting the feedback, and we made a platform for them to make their loved ones to enjoy, and these are
Yeah, absolutely.
very touching, and it's right.
Yeah, of course. And more than anything else, one thing if I tell you, this is something that we both enjoy doing. More than anything else, we both really thoroughly enjoy. We always say that Ambrosia is our second home. And some people ask us, oh, don't you ever get tired working here for so long hours? It's a big no, because we thoroughly enjoy what we do, and the staff here, the customers who walk in, it's all like our extended family. So that's a big thing. That's one big secret to our success, I feel, because we thoroughly enjoy it. And also, the people coming here, we get to interact with them daily, and that happiness that we get, I don't think we get it in any
It's
other.
not work, it's a passion.
Yeah, it's a passion. And more than anything, when you go to the goodwill that we've earned in all these years, the past 18 years, it's only when you go to different places, when people come to us, when they recognize us and they talk to us about our place, about the service render. There have been so many incidents, there are small things that we do here to help our customers. Very small things. We may go a little out of the way to help them, but they always keep this in mind. And, when you meet them after so many years, they keep telling us, oh, we remember that, how you helped us in such a way. Those are really touching moments.
Yeah,
we tell them there's nothing, more than that.